Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Hope you all are doing fine. Well, today's video is a special one because my daughter is going to join me. In fact, I'm going to assist her as she's going to make one of her favorite recipe, which is, let's hear it from her. Come. So she is my daughter Kritika.
Hello.
And what we're going to make today?
Oreo chocolate mousse.
Wow, that's even my favorite recipe. So are we ready?
Yes.
So let's get started.
Yay. So here I have taken 120 grams of one Oreo biscuit packet, and now we need to separate the cram from the biscuits with the help of a knife.
Let me also help you.
Okay. This is done, and now we need to grind the biscuit in a mixer grinder to a fine powder.
This we will use later, so keep this aside now. Take a mixer grinder
And break the biscuits into small pieces like this.
and now Mama is going to grind the biscuits to a fine powder. Let's check once. So our Oreo biscuit powder is ready. Transfer this to a plate.
We will also need some whipped cream, and into this now we will add the Oreo crème which we had separated from the biscuits.
Okay. And now Mama is going to mix the Oreo cram along with the whipped cream with the help of an electric whisker. So this is also done.
So our whipped cream is ready. Next we need some melted dark chocolate. Take a separate bowl and into it add some whipped cream and some melted dark chocolate.
Now we will give this a good mix so that the dark chocolate and whipped cream combines well. So this is also done.
So everything is ready, and now we shall start with the layering process.
I have taken here this kind of mousse glasses. They are pretty nice. I have given the product link in the description section of this video. You can check if you want.
First add 1 tablespoon of Oreo biscuit powder in each glass.
Give a little bit more of the biscuit powder.
Okay.
Now press gently the biscuit powder with the help of a spoon so that they set well in the glass.
Now add 2 tablespoons of whipped cream in each glass to form the second layer. Next add another layer of the Oreo biscuit powder.
Finally, we will add add the chocolate cream layering generously in each glass. See to it that you fill the chocolate cream to the brim of the glass.
So layering has been done, and now we need to chill them in the fridge for 1 hour so that they sit well. These are chocolate sprinklers, and now we need to sprinkle them on top of each glass.
Shall I also help you?
Sure. So these are done, and now they are ready to be enjoyed.
So friends, do try this quick and easy Oreo chocolate mousse recipe. Whenever you have guests coming to your home and you want to make something different for dessert, try this recipe as it's not only easy but also very yummy.
So we hope that you all have enjoyed our today's video. Please do share your feedbacks in the comment section below. And if you love this video, then do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting recipes.
Also check out the links of my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.